Hey y'all, it's Mr. Tomliw. Oh, my brother's got a big surprise for him when he goes to school today. Look out, Mr. Wilmot. You're gonna get slimed, and I put something in that slime just for you.
Okay, we're mixing up the slime.
Ew, that's disgusting.
Oh, it's coming for you.
Oh,
You're not gonna chicken out, right?
No, I think Mr. Reese should have to do this.
Yeah, Mr. Reese, yeah!
And him.
What?
I'm in.
What?
I'll do it.
How much
Right.
did we raise?
$37,000.
I'm in! I'm in!
We're gonna get him.
Woo!
Woohoo!
Disgusting.
Okay,
Slimer.
let's get
Slimer.
her.
Let's get her, let's get her! What?
Oh, what? Oh, that's easy. I can do that. I can do that. That's easy.
I'm in.
Yeah, I can do that.
3, 2.
I'm ready, I can do this, I can do
Let's
this!
get him ready.
Slime. I can do
Tennis
this.
balls.
I can do this.
He's next!
Yeah, I can do I got this.
All right.
Mr. Wilmot, how do you feel?
Hey, if Doris and Highfield can do this, I got this. I got it. No problem.
Awesome.
Scarves and tennis balls, I got this. It's like not even real slime. Definitely gonna be okay.
1, 2, 3.
What?
Get more.
That's not scarves. What? Ah.
Close your mouth, Mr. Wilmot.
Yeah. Gross. Disgusting. What? Miley Cyrus. What about a sniffle?
Oh, yeah. Are you ready? Yeah.
Ew. Gross. Oh, make them go.
I did too.
Way to go, koalas.
Mr. Wilmot's just been slimed. How do you feel?
Going to Disney World.
Now that's a spa treatment.
Yeah, just another day at the spa. Butter sniffle. Butter sniffle.
You look angry, Mr. Wilmot.
Oh, Hulk crush. Oh, Hulk crush. That's so funny, Mr. Wilmot. Ah, what a day. Finally home and nice and clean, no slime on me. Feeling good. Where's my beard? Ah! Where's my beard? Tomliw, what did you do? The slime took off my beard?